Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove Windows Fax and Scan on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in optional. Best result should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and select that. And then search for fax. And one of the best results should say Windows Fax and Scan. Go ahead and select that and then select Remove. Give that a moment. And then you will need to reboot your computer for the change to take effect. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.